2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, fog lamps, remote power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.